In this lecture, we will learn about comparison of surds. There are different cases. Sometimes the order is same, then we can compare the radicands directly. If the orders are not same, then we will find the LCM and make it same. So let's take some examples. First case is when the order is same, means this is also a square root, this is also a square root. So bigger the radicand, bigger will be the surd, means root 2 is less than root 3. But if in this case root 2 and cube root of 2 are given, means orders are different but radicands are same. The meaning of root 2 is 2 to the power of 1 upon 2. And the meaning of cube root of 2 is 2 to the power of 1 upon 3. Means first case the order was same, radicands were different. Here the radicand is same. Radicand means the base, what is inside the radical sign. And if the orders are different, then we will see 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. So here this will be greater than cube root of 2. Means whichever part, you have to check the order and you have to remember that in this case 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, bigger the denominator, lesser is the value. So that is why 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. So when the radicand is same, orders are different, we can directly write like this. We'll check now if the order is also different and radicand is also different, then how can we compare? For example, if it is under root of 2 and cube root of 3, means base is different, what we call it as radicand, as well as the orders are also different. We can only compare whenever the orders are same. And how can we make the orders same? By finding a common factor, the least common multiple of these two orders, so that both the orders will be same. If we look at 2 and 3, then the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. It means this 2 is to be converted into 6. So 2 into 3 will be 6. So before doing that, first we will simply write that LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So this is already 2 because nothing is written. So we can rewrite it as 2 into 3. 3 we have introduced from our side. Clear? Because we have to make the order 6. So whatever we have done out, same we will rewrite it and we will write it inside the radical sign also. Similarly, this 3 is already there. So we are giving in the form of multiplication 2 because this 3 into 2 should be 6. So this whatever is out, that we will give inside the radical sign also. Now this will be 6th root of 2 cube means 8 and 6th root of 3 square is 9. This has become same order, different radicands. When same order, different radicands are there, bigger the radicand, bigger is the value. It means this will be lesser than this. If two surds are given, then you will find out the LCM of both the orders. If more than 2 surds are also given, then too we can compare, or sometimes the question is asked, write the given surds in the ascending or descending order. If the given surds are to be arranged in ascending or descending order, we will equate their orders and then we will write. For example, root 2, cube root of 3 and 6th root of 5. In this case, all 3 radicands are different, all 3 orders are different. So we will find out first the LCM of all the orders, and each surd will be written as the order of whatever is the LCM. So here the LCM is 6. So LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. It means we will rewrite this under root 2. 2 is already there. So we have given 3. This 3 will go inside the radical sign with this 2. Then similarly 3 is already there. So this will go as 3 square, and last we will not change because the order is same. This will become 2 cube is 8, 3 square is 9, and this is as it is. Now all the orders are same. We have to arrange these three in ascending order. Ascending means from smallest to the biggest. Out of these three, the smallest is this. So that we will write first. Second number is this. And the last is this. We will rewrite whatever the question is. This is as it is. The sixth root of 8 is root 2. And sixth root of 9 is cube root of 3. So this is the ascending order. When three surds of different orders are given, we have made the orders same and we have arranged them in ascending order. Now suppose the two surds are given in this way. One is in mixed form, one is in pure, and we have to compare them. Directly we cannot compare. So what will we do? Whenever the surds are given, we will write them in the mixed form and then we will check. So this we will change into 9 into 2, not 6 into 3, because 18 can be written as 6 into 3 or 9 into 2. We are writing it as 9 into 2 because here the order is 2 and we have to change this one of the factors as square. So this will become under root of 9 into under root of 2. So ultimately this is 3 root 2 because under root of 9 is 3. So now check this. This is also 3 root 2 and this is also 3 root 2. So by directly looking at it we cannot compare. We have to change this and then we have to check. So both the surds are same, which are not looking same. So whenever the surds are given, how can we compare? We have to equate the orders first if they are given in the mixed form and further not possible to change them. So first of all, check the orders, arrange them. If the orders are different or if one is mixed and one is pure, then you change the pure as mixed, then you can compare the surds.